Hello everyone, my name is Erlina Kristiara Sari. I'm from class 24A1. My student number is 2402090016. Taking paracetamol while pregnant is safe and there's no evidence it raises the risk of autism, ADHD, and developmental issues in children, say experts behind a major new review. Pregnant women should feel reassured by finding, they say, which contradict controversial claims from U.S. President Donald Trump last year that paracetamol is no good, and pregnant women should fight like hell not to take it. His views were criticized at the time by medical organizations worldwide. Experts say this last review in Lancet Journal is rigorous and should end the debate over its safety. But U.S. health officials maintain that many experts have expressed concern over its use during pregnancy. The U.S. President shocked many by doctors worldwide when he and his administration claimed paracetamol, known as acetaminophen in the U.S., which is seen as the go-to painkiller for pregnant women, could be linked to autism in children if taken during pregnancy. Those claims led to confusion among women and concern among health experts, and prompted this new research, published in the Lancet Obstetrics, Gynecology and Women's Health. It looks at 43 of the most robust studies into paracetamol use during pregnancy, involving hundreds of thousands of women, particularly those comparing pregnancies where the mother had taken drug to pregnancies where she hadn't. The researchers say using these high-quality studies of siblings means they can dismiss other factors such as different genes and family environments, which make their review good standard. The research also looked at studies with a low risk of bias and those that followed children for more than 5 years to check for any link. When we did analysis, we found no links. There was no association. There's no evidence that paracetamol increases the risk of autism. Its study author and consultant obstetrician Professor Asma Khalil told the BBC. The message is clear. Paracetamol remains a safe option during pregnancy when taken as guided, she added. This reinforces guidance for major medical organizations in the UK, US, and Europe on the safety of the common painkiller. Any previously Reported links between the drug and increased risk of autism are likely to be explained by either factors, rather than a direct effect of the paracetamol itself, the review says. This is important as paracetamol is the first-line medication we recommend for pregnancy women in pain or with a fever, said Prof. Khalil. Health advice warns that women can run the risk of harming their baby if they don't take paracetamol to bring down a high temperature or relieve pain when pregnant. This can increase the risk of miscarriage, premature birth, or developmental problems in babies. Medical experts not involved in the research have welcomed the study's findings, say it will help reduce worry among women. Prof. Graeme McAlonan from King's College London said expectant mothers do not need stress of questioning whether medicine most commonly used for headache could have far-reaching effects on their children's health. I hope the findings of this study bring the matter to a close, she said. Prof. Ian Douglas from London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine said the review was well conducted because it excluded studies of lower quality, where no account was taken important differences between mothers who use or don't use paracetamol during pregnancy, such as underlying illnesses. According to Prof. Jan Havik, molecular neuroscientist and clinical psychiatrist at the University of Bergen, the study provides strong evidence that use of paracetamol during pregnancy does not increase the risk of autism, ADHD, or intellectual disability, and should effectively put this question to rest. It is widely believed by scientists working in this field that autism is the result of complex mix of factors, including genetic and environmental ones. A spokesman from the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services said many experts had expressed concern over the use of acetaminophen, the U.S. name for paracetamol, during pregnancy. For example, a review in August 2025 led by Dr. Andrew Beccarelli, Dean of Harvard Chan School of Public Health, found that using acetaminophen during pregnancy may increase children autism and ADHD risk, and urged caution over especially heavy or prolonged usage. Months earlier, Head Secretary Robert Kennedy had pledged to find out the cause of steep rise in reported autism cases. In a controversial speech in the Oval Office in September, the U.S. President said doctors will be advised not to be prescribed the pain reliever to pregnant women. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, then issued a letter to clinicians urging them to be cautious about the use of acetaminophen in pregnancy, while also saying it was still the one drug approved for treating fever during pregnancy. On its website, the FDA says a causal relationship between the drug and neurological condition has not been established. Health officials in the UK have stressed that paracetamol remains the safest painkiller available to pregnant women.